Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Unboxing tayo ngayon. I do have an order coming from PlugTech wherein I order iPhone 12. Not refurbished, legit iPhone original coming from the United States. By the way guys, ang PlugTech is a company in the United States, based in the United States that sell iPhone products like MacBook Air, iPods, um, everything regarding Apple, they do sell it. So, matagal na ako nag-order sa kanila since 2023 and I already ordered to them like my XS, iPhone 8 Plus, and then my XR, and then iPhone 8. Collection lang. I just see them before in TikTok and then I check on their website. They do have an application also. By the way, they are buying phones that not refurbished. It's original coming from the carrier there in the United States, from Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. So, yung mga Amerikano kasi, 'di ba, pag may bagong iPhone products like this year, last year, iPhone 16. So what they're doing is they are swapping their old phones to the new latest iPhone. And then yung mga sinuwap nila, binibilihan ng PlugTech, and then they are gonna sell it online, they're gonna clean it, undergo quality control, check everything. So it is not refurbished, hindi pa siya na-open, guaranteed that the battery health will be up above 80%, and they do have good condition, eco-friendly, and then the excellent condition, which is no scratches at all. So right now I order iPhone 12. I just see it. It's $307. So they're gonna ship it to you through DSL. So me in Bahrain, I ordered 4 days ago. So ngayon lang nag-arrive, September 1. February 1, sorry. And ngayon, open na natin siya. So, ito ha. See? How satisfying. Okay. So, ayun siya guys. Ganito yung packaging niya. Ayan. This is the packaging. PlugTech. Okay. So, let's open up.